Hi, my name is Val, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to do the horizontal behind the head toss. So to get started, the first thing you're going to want to make sure you know how to do is the horizontal figure eight, just like this. So if you don't already have this movement down, you're going to want to make sure you get this down first. In this trick, we're going to be working entirely in the horizontal plane. We're going to be starting in front of our bodies, tossing the Flowstar behind our head to the back of us, and then catching it back in the front of our bodies. When you start in that horizontal figure eight, when the Flowstar lands about here where it's laying on your arm, that is when you're going to want to start moving your arm to the opposite side of your body. And then instead of going into another horizontal figure eight, you're really just going to finish that one off. And instead of going into another one, you're going to release. Just like that. So the reason the Flowstar will just naturally want to go behind your head is because of the motion that the horizontal figure eight is already moving the Flowstar in. When you release, it's going to naturally want to just go around your head in a circle. Now, when you catch it on this side, you're going to want to catch it with your hand out like this, so that when you catch the Flowstar here, you can just immediately go back into another horizontal figure eight. One good way to practice this trick would be going in a continuous circular motion, like this, and trying to just keep the flow going for better practice and to try and get the movement down better. My favorite way to incorporate this trick into my flow is having it up on my finger in this spin, and then catching it and tossing around my head. That's just my personal favorite way, but there are lots of ways you can incorporate this trick into your flow. And yeah, that's how you do the horizontal behind the head toss. Thank you so much for watching today's tutorial, and if you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. Thank you.